प्रैक्टिकल्स एक के बाद एक चल ही रहे हैं, सांस भी नहीं लेने मिली आज। हाँ ना यार, कितना एग्जॉस्टिंग है ये सब। लेक्चर्स के बाद प्रैक्टिकल, फिर लेक्चर 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 चलते ही जा रहे हैं। इन सब में कॉलेज कब देखेंगे हम? चल अब देख लेते हैं, थोड़ा घूम के फिर घर निकलते हैं। व्हाट से? ठीक है यार, ये एक बिल्डिंग से राइट या लेफ्ट ले तो विंग के नाम ही चेंज हो जाते हैं। हाँ ना, वो S301 मेरे सामने ही था, मुझे लगा वो टी विंग है। मतलब एक स्टेप इधर गए तो एस विंग और एक स्टेप उधर गए तो टी विंग। लगता है ये पहला सेमेस्टर रूम नंबर्स और विंग्स को याद रखने में ही चला जाएगा। सच्ची। चल एक राउंड रिसेप्शन एरिया का लगाते हैं, वहां से घर निकलते हैं। वहां ना एक ऑरेंज कैट है, उसे बाय बोल के जाते हैं। यार तू कितनी वियर्ड है, चल फटाफट। यार ये कैट कहाँ चली गई? दिख ही नहीं रही है। कैट छोड़, लुक एट दोस बॉक्सेस। ये फोटोज किसकी है? देख, ये तो वासुदेवन सर है। कितना पुराना फोटो है, अपने ही कॉलेज का लग रहा है। इसमें हैप्पी टीचर्स डे लिखा है पीछे। बाकी भी फोटोज देख, सब कितना ओपन ओपन लग रहा है। एक ही बिल्डिंग थी क्या यहाँ पहले? ये तो अपने कॉलेज की हिस्ट्री है। सही है, शायद इसमें बिल्डिंग की बीसी नहीं थी तो स्टूडेंट्स को याद रखने का टेंशन ही नहीं था।
यत् भावो तत् भवति। यह संस्कृत श्लोक कहता है कि जो आप सोचते हो वही आपके साथ होने लगता है या आप वैसा बन जाते हैं। सोच तो यही थी कि शिक्षा हर किसी के घर पहुंचे और उसी सोच के साथ नींव रखी गई पिल्लई इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, इंजीनियरिंग, मीडिया स्टडीज एंड रिसर्च की, जो कि PIIT के नाम से जानते थे और जिसे हम आज पिल्लई कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग के नाम से जानते हैं। इस सोच के जनक डॉक्टर वासुदेवन पिल्लई और डॉक्टर दाफने पिल्लई ने यह लक्ष्य रखा था कि उच्च शिक्षा प्राप्त करने का मौका हर इच्छुक विद्यार्थी को मिले और वह अपने जीवन में काफी तरक्की करे। इसी लक्ष्य के साथ सन 1999 में PIIT को इंजीनियरिंग कोर्सेज शुरू करने की अनुमति मिल गई। सन 2000 में कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग के एडमिशंस शुरू हो गए और इस सफर की शुरुआत हो गई। जैसे जैसे साल गुजरते गए, नए इंजीनियरिंग के ब्रांचेस मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड टेलीकम्युनिकेशंस और ऑटोमोबाइल भी जुड़ गए। आज पिल्लई कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग में कुल 6 शाखाएं हैं। यहाँ हर एक विद्यार्थी यहाँ उपलब्ध संसाधनों का उपयोग कर अपनी तकनीकी ज्ञान को बढ़ा रहा है।
सुंदरम मंदिरम शारदाय मुंबापुरी विश्वविद्यालयम्। इदं सुंदरम मंदिरम शारदाय मुंबापुरी विश्वविद्यालयम्। कलाशास्त्र वाणिज्य शाखाधिरूढ अमूढा विमुक्ता विहंगामयम्। शृण्वन्तु सर्वे दृढं निश्चयम्। शृण्वन्तु सर्वे दृढं निश्चयम्। इदं सुन्दरं मन्दिरं शारदाय मुंबापुरी विश्वविद्यालयम्।
Since the inception of PIIT, the journey has been enriching and beautiful and has also been through many ups and downs. In order to build such a top-class institution of high standards, many individuals and members have contributed significantly. We acknowledge and cherish all of them today as we commemorate 25 years of the institution. This culminated in PIIT being recognized for its excellent infrastructure, student quality, placements, and experienced faculty. The vision of a teacher being a proverbial mentor, friend, philosopher, and guide, as laid by Dr. Vasudevan Pillai sir, was realized in no time. The teaching learning process here has helped numerous students to bring out many facets of their personality. Here we have a glimpse of all the facilities that our students avail to enhance their skills and learning. Our past principals, Dr. P.D. Chaudhary, Dr. R.P.S. Srivastav, Dr. Chelpa Lingam, Dr. B.B. Srivastav, Dr. G.T. Tampi, and Dr. R.I.K. Murthy have taken the college to newer heights every time during their tenure. From instilling strong educational values to fostering a culture of innovation and inclusion, our past principals were instrumental in shaping the college into the esteemed institution we are today. Their dedication, leadership, and foresight have not only enriched the lives of countless students, but have also left an indelible mark in the college's history. From the year 2008 until 2022, the National Board of Accreditation has accredited us with high grades possible. One after other, all our engineering branches got accredited and proved that we are here to stay and lead the future. We believed in our capabilities and abilities, and with this belief, we got a magnificent A+ grade by NAC in 2020. And then, autonomy was conferred by the University Grants Commission in the year 2021. We became the first autonomous engineering college in Navi Mumbai under the able guidance of Principal Dr. Sandeep Joshi. We have always had excellent placement records, with our students getting placed in prestigious companies like Goldman Sachs, Infosys, Cognizant, Reliance, Ashok Leyland, Hexaware, L&T Infotech, and many more. Our esteemed alumni have always brought us pride. Having understood the importance of fostering entrepreneurship early, we have been able to create a robust system for grooming and nurturing startups and to take them towards success. Along with studies, sports and cultural activities were also given equal importance at Pillai College of Engineering. Our students, Ionica Paul, brought us glory by winning silver medal in 10-meter air rifle for India in the 2014 Commonwealth Games, and Aliana Paul won the gold medal in 10-meter air rifle at the National Rifle Shooting Championship. To recognize the cultural talent of students, Utsav was started, where students showcased their art. Solo and group dances, along with singing and one-act play, were some of the highlights of our Utsav. K. Vasudevan Pillai campus, every faculty celebrated their Utsav festival separately. But the vision of we as a campus are one led to the idea of LAU.
उन्हें आपका बेटी बड़ी शिक्षा में अरे यार ललित, बच्चे नीचे मुझे कर रहे ये काम हम बाद में करेंगे। चल ठीक है। अच्छा प्लान है भाई, चल जाते हैं। जॉर्ज चला तू।
अरे कैसे पॉसिबल है भाई, अभी तो बहुत कम पेंडिंग है। तुम लोग जाओ, मैं बाद में आता हूँ। क्यों मैम, सही बात है ना?
नॉट 100%, क्योंकि मेरा काम तो हो गया। मैं चली नीचे इवेंट देखने। यू गाइस कंटिन्यू।
इस कॉलर ट्यून को लगाने के लिए 2 दबाएं।
If it is to be, it is up to me.
PIIT became a very popular name when it comes to quality education. Students came here with no second thoughts. They were sure that they will succeed in their professional life. Taking forward this legacy, PCE is welcoming new ideas and technologies to be a part of our curriculum and lifestyle. Our students placed at reputed positions in the society are a testament to our existence. We, now being autonomous, have a higher responsibility of shaping individuals that will bring out the good in others and work for a more progressive humanity, a vision laid by Dr. Vasudevan Pillai and religiously followed by the Pillai's group of institutions. After 25 years, looking back, we realize we have truly achieved something. But looking forward, we have many more milestones to achieve. We have to empower our nation with education. Over the past 25 years, your contributions have been immeasurable. You've led with passion, guided with wisdom, and supported with unwavering dedication. The thriving community we have today stands as attestation to the strong foundation you laid. As we celebrate this significant milestone, we honor not just the institution, but also the incredible leadership of Vasudevan Pillai sir, who made this journey transformational. Thank you, sir, for your extraordinary contributions and for being an enduring source of inspiration to all of us. Behind every great leader is a supportive partner whose love and belief turn dreams into reality. Dr. Daphne Pillai ma'am, your contributions have been integral to the achievements we celebrate today. We are deeply grateful for the sacrifices you've made and the support and motivation you've provided. As we mark the 25th anniversary of our institution, we take pride in celebrating not only the visionary leadership that has guided us, but also the remarkable contributions of the next generation, Dr. Priyam Pillai and Mr. Pranav Pillai. Dr. Priyam Pillai's ability to blend tradition with innovation ensures that the legacy of excellence continues to thrive. Your enterprising work has carried forward a vision that pushes boundaries and inspires positive change. As we celebrate this landmark anniversary, we extend our deepest gratitude and admiration for your exceptional contributions. Mr. Pranav Pillai sir, your innovative ideas and tireless efforts have greatly enhanced the vibrancy of our campus, fostering a dynamic environment that inspires and engages students, faculty, and staff alike. Through your initiatives, you have not only brought energy and enthusiasm to our college, but have significantly raised its profile, making it a more recognized and respected institution in the broader academic community. Mabel ma'am and Munawira ma'am, your dedication and resilience embodied with grace and your commitment to service has had a profound impact and surely deserves our recognition and gratitude. Thank you all for your invaluable contributions and for being an essential part of our journey. Here's to celebrating 25 years of success and visionary leadership that has made it all possible. Congratulations on this remarkable achievement. We dream to be the name that reckons with top educators and researchers in the world. With this new hope and a goal to achieve, we aim to grow stronger and higher. By laying a strong foundation through clear vision, strategic planning, and a committed team, we will set the stage for sustainable growth and long-term success. We hope to be the pioneers in doing so. With this humble claim, here we stand united, we, the PCE family.